The Fluke 810 vibration tester provides the easiest way to troubleshoot vibration issues and get instant answers to your most common mechanical problems, including problems with bearings, misalignment, unbalance, and looseness at the point of measurement without prior measurement history. The Fluke 810 will start saving you money right out of the box, reducing unplanned downtime as well as time and materials cost. Fluke 810's diagnostic engine reviews your machine setup information and vibration data against a vast database of similar machines, and by using a set of powerful algorithms, delivers text-based machine diagnosis and severity levels along with repair recommendations. With the included Viewer PC software, you can store your machine information and track a problem's severity over time. And unlike current vibration analyzers, the Fluke 810 requires no special training or major investment. This product demonstration will give you an overview of the Fluke 810 vibration tester setup and operation. See for yourself just how easy and effective it is. The Fluke 810 takes an easy three-step approach to determine machine condition: setup, measure, and diagnose.